Hi, this is Miki, and today we are going to give some strength to our legs, keeping our knees safe. Let's dive into a knee-friendly workout. Always start with a warm-up. I'll show you some gentle leg swings and calf raises to get the blood flowing and prepare the muscles for our workout. Our first exercise is the straight leg raise. Lying on your back, slowly lift one leg, keeping it straight. This strengthens your quads without bending the knee. Next up, seated leg extensions. Sitting on a chair, extend one leg at a time, focusing on engaging your thigh muscles. It's a fantastic way to strengthen without knee pressure. Side leg lifts. Target your inner and outer thighs. Lie on your side and lift your leg, keeping it straight. This exercise is excellent for stability and doesn't stress the knees. Glute bridges are next. Lie on your back with your feet flat and lift your hips. This strengthens your glutes and hamstrings while being gentle on the knees. Calf raises strengthen the lower leg without impacting the knees. Use a wall for support, lift your heels, and then slowly lower them down. Fantastic work today. I'm thrilled to guide you through these exercises, ensuring your legs get stronger while we protect your knees. Remember, it's crucial to maintain flexibility and reduce muscle tension, so keep up with these stretches regularly. Stick with me, and we'll keep on exploring safe and effective workout together. See you on my page.